Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How many of you love purple? I love purple. Purple, lavender. This is another junk journal kit that I have assembled for you. It is available in my Etsy shop and it is full of envelopes. Everything in here I have made. So we have envelopes like that, envelopes like this. It comes with little miniature envelopes. And if that's not good enough, here's a bitty envelope. And it is also a paper clip. So you can clip that onto the edge of your pages. It comes with these little bags that I have run through my paper crimper. I love the way those feel. That one's glassine. There's a little miniature envelope made out of tracing paper. It also comes with pockets. These are the pockets that are ready to adhere. You can see I've folded these little things in and you just adhere them down to your page. They're ready to go and they just give you a little more room up under there. This is a glassine pocket with paper crimp down here, and there's your pocket part right there. This is a pocket I made from wallpaper. Has my pretty little border on there. You also get this little shaker bag. So it's just a little tiny bag just full of all kinds of little goodies that are just fun to shake. These are my newest, I'm having so much fun with these guys. These are round pockets. And I think round pockets should have round journaling cards. So they're round pockets with little cards stuck in there. You can stick them down, glue them down on a page, leave one side open, and it becomes a corner tuck or a top tuck spot if you want it, however you want to do that. This is a little tag book that I made that I'm including with this. So it's like 3 tags, and these 2 have pockets with little tags in them there. And then this one has a tuck spot and it's got a little tag up underneath there. And then it's held together with a little bitty belly band. And I don't know if that looks blue or not, but it's really more purple. It all matches in here. Oh my gosh, I got to show you this. It's the cutest thing in the world. I just made this last night. I'm like, I love it. I'm calling it a spinner. I don't know what you'd call it, but what I did is I cut out a section, just a little section from the top card. And then on the bottom, I just glued in different pieces of paper on each one. So you glue this down to your page and then you just turn this. You can put pictures under here. You could put words under here if you want to, however you want to do it. So, and you can glue part of it like the circle pockets and leave it as a tuck if you want to. It'll still spin. So I'm just calling that a spinner card. I thought that was so much fun. And then you also get these gorgeous, I'm into belly bands and I'm into clusters. I love clustering. That's so much fun. So these belly bands, you just glue them down on each edge. It's got cardstock on the back so you can easily slide something behind it. If you want it to go vertical, you just glue it that way and slide things behind it. This one can be a belly band or it could even be a corner tuck. You could glue these 2 edges, tuck things underneath there if you wanted to. This is a little fabric pocket that I made. It's just fabric with some trims and stuff. You could glue or stitch 3 sides down. There's your pocket. This, oh my gosh, I love this piece right here. Love, love, love. So you have a dress here. You've got one of my fabric clusters here with a button. It's got a vintage typewriter back there behind it and one of my boho beads dangling from it. How cute is that? Here's a little matchbook in that same paper. So the little matchbook, you just, I've got it stapled at the bottom and you just fold that under and you can put things in it. You can put tags and, you know, any paper, anything you want to there. These are just little page flags. I love to adhere page flags on a page that just needs a little something else, just a little something. And this has kind of a texture to it, a little bit of a texture. And then you get these extra beaded dangles here, ready to go. Look at this gorgeous bead right here. Love, love, love that bead. So pretty. It's the only one I got. And you get this altered paper clip. This is a paper flower that I made. So that's ready to clip on. These can be used as bookmarks or just embellishments. And then you get this, which I call this a page edger, for lack of a better term. And what you do, you take it and you just put it across the edge of a page. And then you can adhere it with the paper clip if you want to, however you want to do it. So anyway, everything you see here is what you get in this kit. And like I said, it is available in my Etsy shop. Makes a great gift. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.